Wait, you would rain? Me would rain, maybe? Did it got me? Rainy weather?
Stormy day.
Somehow I got a cut or something on my knee. Well, maybe I got that flash of lightning, I don't know. Look at the road flooding. Good thing those drains and stuff are there. And record about 50 on the mountain silhouette.
This is the hardest rain we've seen since we were Kings Island last year.
Yeah. I only imagine it too, like, if I saw a mountain like that though, while it was raining, it's like I'm at my normal area and then like, just gotta run. It's like, I can only imagine how wrong that would be to see a silhouette like that while raining in my
You can see
area.
it come over the mountain.
I'll do that too. There we go. Whole new weather here. I think this is probably the second time I've actually recorded like the rain outside of being with the house or being with the house. No, I should have got that. I didn't know it was gonna happen right there because we were going uphill.
These little dips right here.
Watching the car do it. I'm trying to get the camera to see it. This looks like it's a bit of hard rain, like Left 4 Dead. Imagine if they had something like the hard rain level, but it wasn't like a flatland area. Wait, does that mean I need to watch this side? Maybe. You can see that there's two mountains in the back too. That one that's barely noticeable or whatever.
Visibility is this would be this person would go on. It's just rain, people. Lord.
A little bit of your road rage in the video, I see. All of that part was understandable because you're on like a main road.
Than this on snow. Are you kidding me?
You got to go into the long lane or the fast lane, whatever it's called, with the Chevrolet.
It rains and they suddenly can't drive. It snows, they're all experts.
How people are, I guess. And there's McDee's.
Now I'm going to get soaked when I roll the window down and tell them my coat.
But you're going to be against the building. You might have a luck.
Not for the drive-thru.
I tried. We'll have to see. A bacon caser. New era of drinks, ice cream, $1.69. Now hiring.
Yep.
There's some flooding going on.
Look at this. No way. This is ridiculous.
Viewers are just gonna be so lost because I paused it for when you did the order. It's like the whole parking lot's flooding right now. Even though we're on like a gap and it's kind of going downhill. I need to be having it further away.
I don't know about the severe thunderstorm zipping down through there.
Oh no, why is it? It's too blurry. Oh man, I'm trying to do it.
See it?
I got
Out
it.
our lane there.
I see, now I'm able to get it. I feel the belt cutting into my body fat when I do that. There you go. These fries aren't the saltiest that I like, but at least they're not plain. They're pretty good with like the salt for like a normal level.
You only get us one fry?
Yeah, I think.
Thunderstorm was located near Kenova or near Cannonsburg, moving
It's
east at
flooded.
35 miles per hour.
Too flooded?
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Ashland, Cold Grove, Wayne, Chesapeake, Octorville, Beach Fork State Park, Cannonsburg, Barbarossville, Kenova, Cadlettsburg, Cerrito, Olna, Plymouth, German, Centerville, South Point, Burlington, Westwood, and Lockwood.
Right now.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 184 and 191. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 23.
There we are. I like that audio.
Take images. Visualizations play a critical role in diagnosing injuries and illnesses. At WVJC, you can take lecture classes online or be in hands-on experience in labs at WVJC campuses and clinicals at regional medical centers. So you can keep your life moving while building a future with wellness. Because we have
Anything about it?
Yeah.
Apparently this month, it was confirmed we're going to be getting the Siren Head and Cartoon Cat movie. Oh my gosh. Look at this, right? It doesn't seem that bad. And then there's the water currently going like a full fast stream, like maybe 5 times faster than your normal stream, right? There's another view. And you go down here and all the like that dark area you can see over there on the road, that is the road. The rest of it is submerged in water and flooded and rivering. And it's flooding so bad that even on the hill right there, you have the trash can or whatever that is, like, causing a wave disturbance. Oh yeah, that just proved my point.
Tornadic thunderstorms include Lockwood, Sea Ridge, Long Arrest, Burlington, and South Point. A tornado warning has been issued. 45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 12 Celsius, in West Virginia, Gadwell, Wayne, and Boyd, Kentucky, and Lawrence, Ohio.
I can't tell. Is it just a video or is it the TV actually glitching?
Flooding in downtown Huntington. The viaducts will close off in a pattern like this, and there's likely to be significant flooding on the east end down toward the stadium, and west, for example, towards
Right
Sarita
now they'll be on
Hill.
air till 6:45 something like this, because as long as there's a tornado warning,
Presenting
they
the
can't
tornado
do
warning to you
anything.
as issued by the National Weather Service until 6:45. And again, it's a tropical atmosphere. If you're in Charleston, you've been worked over, you're going to get some more rain. But these storms of potency are more concentrated in the area that had a lack of rain today, until here at the end of the day in Huntington, where the downpours are going on right now. I want to stress a couple of things as we go through the screen. The tornado warning will be followed by a flash flood warning in all probability. Flood warnings are already in effect through areas in northern Kentucky. For example, over toward Lewis and toward Greenup County, where earlier there were tornado warnings. So what happens is you wind up with a swirl in the clouds producing strong winds and the possibility of a funnel cloud, and then you wind up with an hour or two of torrential rains. And that's what we're going through in downtown Huntington right now, over toward Pea Ridge. Significant street flooding will be followed by perhaps some small streams coming out of their banks. I'm talking about Crowds Creek through northern Wayne County. I'm talking about Four Pole Creek. Can't say Four Pole Creek will flood because the headwaters of the Four Pole Creek have to get inundated with rain in order for that to occur. But we'll keep an eye on the Four Pole and other streams because these rains right now are falling at a clip.
Is how many minutes after it's been raining? Or whatever?
5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah. 5 or 10 minutes.
The road is dry.
And then this is the road where, if you watched earlier, you saw like the river, and the road was almost completely flooded. And look at this. All that water is almost gone. Epic change, that's for sure.
That's what we call it, a flash flood.
Flash flood?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, can't do that. Kitty! Too interested in the food? Alright. Let's hear the message.
Cricket spotters said that they will be back with vengeance for their murdered relatives.
Are you sure about that? You sure you did? You sure you didn't read it wrong?
But they said we will have vengeance.
Mm-hmm.
They're gathering a cricket spotter army.
Doesn't matter how many there are if they get nuked with a poison.
They said they will attack from above and the middle and the ground.
Well, I'll attack from everywhere with the air.
They said it would be a 3-level attack, 3-layer attack.
Their idea, you say this cricket spotter said that I won the battle but still win the war. All they're going to do is cower away until I'm gone, and then they're going to come back out. Because I'm like the, what is it? I'm like the absolute bomb. I'm the nuke of this town. I'll take out anything and everything. Are you going to do your breathing treatment?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm a